YouTubers and gig workers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today is a Monday evening shift. I'll be working from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. with DoorDash and Uber Eats. So my goal for the Monday evening is $20. $20 an hour. So let's hope for the best. Come along for the ride. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, watch the video to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make in the 2 hours. So let's go make some money. So the time is 4:59. So I worked this morning a little bit, this lunch hours, and I had 2 orders with Uber Eats and they pay $18. So I have an order with DoorDash going 6.6 kilometers, $11. I'll accept that right at 5.
DoorDash? Yeah, no problem.
So pick up that order from Popeyes and customer is 13 minutes away. So I arrive at the customer location and instruction says leave at the door. Took a picture, put it on the table. Base pay $6, customer tip $5. Thank you, customer. I have an order with Uber Eats, 7.6 kilometers, $10. So I pick up that order from Popeyes. Customer is 12 minutes away. So arrive at customer. Customer says meet at door. I have an order at Uber Eats, $6.94, going 4.6 kilometers. That's a Subway. I'll accept that. Arrive at the Subway. I have to pick up a tuna sub combo. So I pick up that order and I have to drive 2 minutes to drop it off. So arrive at customer location. I deliver that order. Order with Uber Eats, $6.21, going 2.6 kilometers. It's a Popeye. Popeye number 3. Bag is really heavy. Okay, pick up customer order. Let's see how far customer lived. Customer is 4 minutes away. So I have another order from Uber, $7.77, 6.1 kilometers. Picture, that's lots of chickens they order. Like, okay, so I have to go pick up another order from a sushi place. Arrive at Sushi 1. 5 minutes to drop it off and 5 minutes left on my shift. So arrive at customer location. It says meet at the door. Okay. It's right here. Hello. Hi. And your name is?
Hannah.
We have Chicken Chef right here.
But it's not open.
Oh, it's not open. This is better.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, this. We'll drop off order. So the time is 7:04, and I'm just working 2-hour shift today in the evening. So I'm just gonna end my shift with Uber Eats, and my shift already end with DoorDash. So I'll give you guys an update in a second, or right now. Hello YouTubers and gig workers. Here's the summary. I had 1 order with DoorDash, $11. Base pay $6, customer tip $5. I had 4 delivery with Uber Eats, the top 4. We'll start with this one here. $13.38. Customer tip $3.29. $6.94. Customer didn't tip. Big fat 0. $13.21. Customer tip $7. This is the order from Popeyes. It was a big order. Lots of chicken. Bag was really heavy. And last one was $11.28. Customer tip $3.50. So between Uber Eats and DoorDash, the total is $55.81 minus $5 for gas. Give you $50.81 divided by 2. Give you $25.40 per hour. Yeah, I would say that's a really excellent evening. 2 hours for Uber Eats and DoorDash. It's been a while since I had $25 an hour on a Monday evening. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.